Amazing animal facts. Flamingos, the living blush of wetlands and skies. Few birds on Earth are as instantly recognizable, or as visually captivating, as flamingos. With their long, elegant necks, stilt-like legs, and radiant pink plumage, flamingos appear almost otherworldly, as if painted by the sun itself. Yet behind their beauty lies a story of remarkable adaptation, resilience, and ecological importance. Flamingos are not merely symbols of grace and color. They are masters of survival in some of the planet's harshest and most unusual environments. To understand flamingos is to discover how elegance can be forged by endurance, and how beauty often emerges from balance with nature. Who are flamingos? Flamingos are large, long-legged water birds found in parts of Africa, Europe, Asia, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They inhabit shallow wetlands such as salt lakes, lagoons, estuaries, and alkaline ponds, environments that many other animals cannot tolerate. These habitats are often extreme, with high salinity, intense sunlight, and fluctuating water levels. Despite their delicate appearance, flamingos are tough survivors. Their bodies are finely tuned to withstand conditions that would overwhelm most birds, allowing them to flourish where competition is minimal and resources, though specialized, are abundant. The iconic pink color, beauty born from diet. Perhaps the most famous feature of flamingos is their pink coloration. Contrary to popular belief, flamingos are not born pink. Young flamingos hatch with gray or white feathers. Their signature color develops over time and comes directly from their diet. Flamingos feed on algae, tiny crustaceans, and microorganisms that contain natural pigments called carotenoids. As these pigments are digested, they are deposited into the feathers, skin, and beak, gradually transforming the bird into shades of pale blush, coral, or vivid pink. A flamingo's color can even reflect its health. Brighter hues often indicate a nutritious diet and good condition. In this way, a flamingo's beauty is not merely decorative. It is a visual record of its ecological success. A body designed for shallow waters. The flamingo's unusual body shape is perfectly adapted for feeding in shallow, muddy waters. Its long legs allow it to wade into deeper areas while keeping its body above the surface. Its long, flexible neck enables it to reach down and feed comfortably without strain. Most remarkable is the flamingo's beak, which is uniquely shaped and used upside down. When feeding, a flamingo bends its head downward and sweeps its beak side to side through the water. Inside the beak are specialized filtering structures that trap tiny food particles while expelling water and mud. This feeding method allows flamingos to extract nutrition from environments that appear barren at first glance, turning microscopic life into fuel for survival. Habitat. Thriving in extremes. Flamingos are specialists of extreme wetlands. Many of the lakes and lagoons they inhabit are highly saline or alkaline conditions that deter predators and competitors. These environments may seem inhospitable, but they are rich in the algae and microorganisms flamingos depend on. Water levels in these habitats can change dramatically with seasons. Flamingos respond with flexibility, traveling long distances in search of suitable conditions. Their ability to move between wetlands across regions and even continents reflects a deep connection to the rhythms of water and climate. Social life. Strength in numbers. Flamingos are among the most social birds in the world. They live, feed, and breed in large flocks that can number in the thousands or even millions. This social structure provides safety, efficiency, and reproductive success. Living in large groups reduces the risk of predation, improves foraging efficiency, and plays a critical role in breeding. Flamingos rely on group displays, synchronized movements, head flagging, and wing salutes to stimulate breeding behavior. Without sufficient numbers, breeding may not occur at all. In flamingo society, unity is not just beneficial, It is essential. Breeding and the art of balance. Flamingo breeding is a remarkable spectacle. When conditions are right, entire colonies begin nesting at the same time. Nests are built from mud and shaped into small cone-like mounds that elevate eggs above water and protect them from flooding. Each pair typically produces a single egg. Both parents share incubation duties and later feed the chick a nutrient-rich secretion known as crop milk. This milk, produced in the upper digestive tract, is high in fat and protein and allows chicks to grow rapidly. Young flamingos form large nursery groups or creches, where they socialize and learn survival skills while parents forage. This cooperative system strengthens the entire colony. Movement, flight, and endurance. Despite their slender build, flamingos are strong and capable flyers. They can travel hundreds of kilometers in a single journey, often flying at night to avoid heat and conserve energy. Their long wings generate powerful, steady flight, allowing them to move between distant wetlands as conditions change. On the ground, flamingos are known for their characteristic stance, often standing on one leg. This behavior helps conserve body heat and reduce muscle fatigue, another example of their finely tuned efficiency. Ecological importance. Flamingos play a crucial role in wetland ecosystems. Their feeding behavior stirs sediments, redistributes nutrients, and influences the growth of algae and microorganisms. This activity helps maintain ecological balance and supports other species within the ecosystem. Because flamingos are sensitive to changes in water quality, food availability, and climate, they are also important indicators of wetland health. A thriving flamingo population often signals a functioning and productive ecosystem. Threats and conservation challenges. Despite their adaptability, flamingos face increasing threats. Habitat destruction, water diversion, pollution, and climate change have reduced and altered many wetlands worldwide. Disturbance from human activity can disrupt breeding colonies, causing entire seasons to fail. Because flamingos depend on specific conditions to breed successfully, even small environmental changes can have large impacts. Protecting flamingos means protecting wetlands, some of the most threatened ecosystems on Earth. Flamingos and human culture. Throughout history, flamingos have symbolized beauty, balance, and elegance. They appear in art, mythology, and modern popular culture as icons of grace and tropical serenity. Yet their true story is far deeper, one of endurance, cooperation, and harmony with challenging environments. Flamingos remind us that nature's most beautiful creations are often shaped by hardship and resilience rather than ease. Conclusion. Elegance forged by nature. Flamingos are far more than pink birds in shallow water. They are living testaments to adaptation, cooperation, and ecological balance. Their beauty is not accidental. It is earned through survival in extreme environments and sustained by intricate social bonds. To protect flamingos is to protect wetlands, biodiversity, and the delicate systems that support life across our planet. If you enjoyed this extensive and inspiring exploration of flamingos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our page, Wild Wonders, for more captivating stories from the natural world. Now we'd love to hear from you. What are flamingos called in your own language? Share it in the comments and let's celebrate the beauty of wildlife and cultural diversity together.